Hello, this is Andrea Jars from Meinberg Radio Clocks from Germany, and now with our local distributor Almamas Group we are organizing this Meinberg Sync Workshop where we are addressing the latest technologies for the timing and frequency synchronization like NTP and most important PTP, Precision Timing Protocol, which can be deployed for synchronization in different industries like power sector, telecommunication, very important for finance, stock exchanges, let's say, for broadcasting, for studio video. We have guests from many different countries and we have lively discussions about timing and frequency synchronization. So I'm really looking forward to this event, and it's my pleasure to be here in Dubai, and yeah, we are having good time together, and yeah, let's synchronize together the world. Thank you.